Hello, how are you? Welcome to Bima's Crafty Corner. I am Bima, better known as Els, and this is our number 2 Monday Mixed Media Mini Morsels. That's a mouthful, isn't it? All right, if you don't know what this is, basically, we are going to allow the computer to generate 5 mixed media topics for us. You can use them any way that you want. You can combine them. You can use them in any order. You can eliminate one if you want. You can add one. And this gets posted every other week. So there'll be a new one every 2 weeks so that you can explore your creativity. So I'm going to go ahead and bring up our random number generator. And it selects between 1 and 50, and that is a list of prompts we have in the description below. You will find a link to this list if you would like to get a copy. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and have it pick our first prompt, which is number 24 on the list, which is to add or use punches. The next one for this week will be number 23, strips of paper. Followed up by number 34, which is to use a doily. Whew. 38, add an embellishment. You guys get the idea. And the last one for this week is number 4, use a household stamp. Okay, so a paper punch is anything that you can use for a punch. It could be a hole punch if that's what you have. Strips of paper or any kind of paper that you want. You just tear them into strips and use those. A doily, we're talking about those paper doilies. It could be a great big one or a little one or a square one or a colored one or whatever you want. An embellishment is anything that you would use to embellish something else. So a sticker, a rub-on, a gem, some other sort of bling. And a household stamp is anything that you can find in your home. I could use the top of my glue bottle right here if I wanted to. That could be my household stamp. It could be the lid of a prescription pill bottle. Whatever it is that you have that's in your house, could be a fork. That is a household stamp. So go ahead and have fun with these. And if you would like to post your creation, we'd love to see it over in the Facebook group. There's links to everything in the description below, including this list. Until I see you again, stay well, my friends. Bye-bye.